Et donc on commence. Attends, je prends le livre parce que j'étais pas sûr. En fait, j'ai vu. Normalement, c'était le matin. Alors, tac. Attends, il faut que je retrouve le livre. C'est ici normalement. Allez, voilà. Hop. Donc, une seconde, comme ça je reprends. On va tout de suite aller. En fait, c'était quoi? C'était. Ah oui. On va tout de suite aller. Il y avait. C'était c'est loin. Tu vas à l'école. Comment tu vas à l'école? Comment tu vas à l'école?
Comment tu vas à l'école?
Dis non. Comment tu vas à l'école?
Wait, how much it costs?
Non, comment? Comment means how. How you go to school. Maybe we didn't. Comment tu vas à l'école? Wait, I think. What is this?
Wait. Maybe. Wait. I'm just gonna give a voiture.
Oui, très bien. You can say en voiture. En voiture. En voiture.
Actually, don't go.
Ready? À pied alors. À pied? By foot.
Oui, oui.
Oui, à pied. À pied. In fact, there are many people in France that travel with trottinette. Do you know what trottinette? It's very convenient. Many people they use this in Paris. In fact, there's Xiaomi. There's one. Bon. Tac. Trottinette électrique. Trottinette, like this, hein, trottinette. Is like kind of an e-scooter. Most of them, they are built in China. They are made in China.
Oui.
Ok. Anyway, so donc, comment tu vas à l'école? And then, donc à pied, en voiture. There is something that I don't know if you ah oui, there's something that you can tell me, maybe. How about the supermarket? Le supermarché next to your place. Do you have a supermarket? Un supermarché. Do you have un supermarché next to your place?
Oui.
Oui? Très bien, oui.
Oui.
And c'est par où? C'est par où? How to go there? Go straight or take the bus? What?
Une voiture.
Ah oui, il faut prendre. Prenez la voiture. Il faut prendre la voiture. Prenez la voiture. C'est loin? C'est loin le supermarché? C'est loin le supermarché?
No, no.
Is it far away? The supermarket? Non? 5 minutes away? 5 minutes? À 5 minutes? À 5 minutes en voiture? À 5 minutes en voiture?
Oui.
Oui. 5 minutes by car?
No.
Non?
No.
10 minutes by car.
Oui.
10 minutes by car or 5 minutes by car? 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 5 minutes. Et comment s'appelle le supermarché? Comment s'appelle le supermarché? Do you know comment s'appelle?
Oh, wait, comment s'appelle?
Le supermarché. How is it? Je m'appelle Georges. Je m'appelle Georges.
Cold? How's it cold?
Yes, yes. How is it called?
Uh,
Is it c'est Walmart? Walmart?
no.
C'est Carrefour. In fact, Walmart. Ah, c'est métro. Oui, c'est métro. In fact, Walmart shut down everywhere in China, right?
Oui.
I don't know why. Ok. Donc c'est Carrefour, c'est métro. Oui, c'est métro. Très bien. Alors oui, donc c'est loin. Non, ce n'est pas loin. Ce n'est pas loin. Je vais à pied. Je vais à pied. Je vais en voiture. Maybe you can tell me some of this. Alors, so I show you the photo, and then I ask you. So the man on the left goes to work. Le monsieur à gauche. Monsieur à gauche goes to work. How does it goes? How does he go to work? Comment?
Comment?
How he goes to work?
À pied.
Oui, à pied, ouais, très bien.
Where did you get that from?
What?
Nothing.
So I will show you. C'est le périph. Le périph. You have this in China as well, in Shanghai. So I show you. C'est le périph. Le périph. All these people go to work. Comment? Comment ils vont? How do they go to work?
En voiture.
Oui, en voiture. En voiture. You know, c'est le périph.
Is that a photo from China?
No, it's from France. It's the ring road around Paris. It's around Paris. You know, there are many e-bike. It's ring road. You know.
Oui.
I show you. Ça, I show you a little bit, so you can have a look. Voilà. It's very interesting. So the ring road, you know the ring road. This is the ring road. There is a ring road in Changsha also. How many ring roads do we have? How many ring roads do we have?
Deux.
Oui, deux. So there is the small one. The small one is the one I showed you in the photo, and the big one is a new one. Is the new one. You know. How many ring road do you have in Changsha? This is Paris. C'est Paris.
C'est Paris.
At Changsha there is two. Do you know?
Oui.
I can show you. I can show you in Benjin. Do you know in Benjin how many you have?
Non.
I will show you so you can count. Maybe in French we can count. Combien? Combien? How many ring roads? Combien?
Oh, wow.
Come on, from the map. How many can you count on the map?
Oui. 5.
Oui, bravo, bravo, très bien, oui. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1,
Oui.
2, 3, 4, 5. Oui, il y a 5. Il y a 5. There are 5. 5 ring roads in Benjin. Why? Pourquoi? Why? Because Benjin is very big. How to say Benjin is big?
Beijing est grand.
Oui, Benjin est grand. Benjin est très grand. Very big. Benjin est très grand. You know, Paris is very small. You know, how many people live in Paris inside of the ring road, the first ring road? You know. You know how many people live inside the first ring road? You know.
No. Wait, in Beijing or?
No, in Paris, inside. You know the photo I sent you? I just sent you the photo
No.
of Paris. There is inside the first red line, the first ring road. This is Paris. Just inside the small.
Wait, I can't see it.
Really? I send it.
No, I can't see the photo.
Really? I send you one again. Do you see it now? Normally you see it.
Oh, oui.
Do you know inside the first ring road, this written Paris, Paris. And you know what's the size of population? So I live inside this place. I live inside. I'm very close to the ring road, in fact. I live next to the stadium, football stadium. Stade Jean Boulin et Parc des Princes. Parc des Princes. It's on the left side. Parc des Princes. I live next to the stadium. There is a green park, green area. I live there on the left side. So anyway, so how many people live there? 2 million. 2 million. 2. Okay.
Wow.
Inside. So it's really small, in fact.
What?
It's not very big as compared to Beijing. It's very small. 2 million. You know how many people live in Changsha?
Uh, 5?
No, it's 8 million.
Huh?
8 million people.
But that's only like in all of the ring.
It's very big.
When you only count it inside one ring.
Yeah, because that's Paris. But even if you take all the place, everywhere, even not Paris, just the suburb, it's even what we call the banlieue, it's still very small. I will check for you. I will check for you.
Oh wait, I sent the message in the wrong.
Oh yeah. If you take everything, is 12 million. 12 million. Île-de-France. If you take everything, is 12 million. 12 million. If you take everything. But if you just take Paris, that is the small things inside, is only 2 million. You know?
Oh.
But banlieue is very green. You know, la banlieue?
Oui. Yeah, oui.
Like sometimes you can see the photo I send you. It's in banlieue because my parents, they are just a little bit outside, you know. And banlieue is a small house. It depends where, but it's not so. There's many. It's not so many people, in fact. It's small house or small building. Okay. So anyway, let's go on. Donc comment? Alors en voiture. À pied, Beijing est grand, Beijing est très grand, d'accord. Il y a 5 ring roads, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, d'accord. So let's go on with the lesson. Wait, I take it. So this for the direction is okay. I think what we can do is we can do a new lesson. Let's do together. I think we can review number 13. So we will review number 13, which is about buying the train ticket. Okay, let's review number 13, then we do number 14. So let's say you are at the train station, then you need to buy a train ticket. What would you say? Bonjour madame.
Bonjour madame. Bonjour monsieur.
Oui. I would like. How do you remember how to say I would like? I would like is vous. We saw it together, right?
Wait. Be something?
Oui, je voud.
Be?
Je voud.
Wait, je vous.
Je voudrais. It's I would like. Je voudrais. I would like some train ticket. Or I would like, je voudrais, I would like to go. How to say, je voudrais go. Je voudrais aller à Paris. Aller is to go. I would like to go to Paris. I would like to go to Paris. Je voudrais aller à Paris. Ok? Ah oui, quand? Quand? Do you remember quand? What does it mean? Quand? Quand?
Oh, can you type it?
Yeah, sure. I will type it, of course. Quand means quand.
Wait. I think it meant. I forgot where
You don't know?
I think I heard that word like 1,000 times before or something.
But we saw it together, right? We saw this one on number 13, and we saw together. Yeah. I was not sure because we didn't. Yeah, we saw it, number 13. Un aller simple. Je voudrais aller à Paris. Quand? Quand means when. When.
Oh, when?
When. So maybe you can say tomorrow, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday. Okay. We saw the lesson, right? We saw the lesson 13. Yeah, I'm not sure. No. We saw it, alright? I don't remember.
Oh, wait, just let me check if we
I think we saw.
if we've seen it before.
Maybe not.
No, let me check. Because if we've done it before, then you probably like sent a photo.
Did you? I think we did.
Let me see. I'm not sure.
Ready? But maybe we can see it again together if you don't remember. It doesn't matter. Okay?
Wait, let's. We could see like in the chat if you see the button.
Anyway, if you don't remember, it's better we can do it again together. Okay? So when you are at the train ticket, je say je voudrais aller à Paris. Okay? How would you say if you are in France and you want to go to Marseille? Marseille. I would like to go to Marseille. How would you say it?
Wait, what was the city again?
Je voudrais
Marseille, right?
aller à Marseille.
Wait, okay. I don't know what happened, but wait. Okay.
Je voudrais aller à Marseille. You know, Marseille is the second city of France. Marseille is the second biggest city in France, so it's very big city in the south of France. Okay? Donc, je voudrais aller à Marseille. Let's say now you are in Paris and you want to take the train to the north of France. You want to go to Lille. Lille. How would you say?
Je voudrais aller à Lille.
Oui, très bien. Je voudrais aller à Lille. Je voudrais aller à Lille. Oui, très bien. So I'll just show you Marseille. First, I send you the map so you can have an idea. Donc, c'est quoi là? C'est quoi? What is it? It's France. How would you say it's France?
C'est France.
C'est la France. Oui, c'est la France. And you can see Marseille is south of France. How would you say Marseille is south of France?
Marseille is south of France. Then you would say like
Marseille et
Marseille et
sud, south of France.
or
Et au sud. Et au sud. How about Lille? I will show you Lille. So maybe I send you a... Ah, this one is too small. Maybe I send you this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, so so you want to go to Lille. Je voudrais aller à Lille. And how about Lille? Can you see Lille on the map? Can you see Lille?
Oui.
So where is Lille? C'est où? C'est où? C'est où Lille?
Wait, hold on. Let me see where. Oh. It's all the way up at the north.
Yes, yes, yes. So Lille, c'est quoi? C'est Lille est, oui, Lille est au north. How to say north? Nord, nord. Lille. Marseille est au sud. Lille est au nord. Je voudrais aller à Marseille. Je voudrais aller à Lille. Okay. How about now you want to go? You want to go to Bordeaux? How would you say Bordeaux?
Je voudrais aller à Bordeaux.
Oui, je voudrais aller à Bordeaux. And I think at this time of the year, the best place to go in France is Ajaccio. Can you see Ajaccio?
Ajaccio.
Can you see the city that's called Ajaccio on the map I just sent you?
Hold on.
I will show you a photo of Ajaccio.
Ajaccio. Wait. I don't see the name.
Come on. I show you the photos and you can try and find where is Ajaccio.
Oh. Ajaccio is... Oh, north.
No, look. Come on. In Ajaccio.
North.
What? No, it's not north. I showed you the photo. What do you see on the photo?
Oh, there's snowy mountains.
There is the snow, but there is also the sea.
Oh. But in the north of France, there's still a sea.
Yeah, but there's no mountains. This is the Italian mountain. The Italian mountain, you can see.
Oui.
So c'est au sud. Do you see it's on the small island? Do you see the small island next to Italy?
Oui.
I show you on the map.
Oh,
It's-
yeah, I can see on the map. It's above it.
This is Italy and there is Ajaccio. Do you see Ajaccio?
Oui. Ajaccio.
I think at this time of the year is very nice. Ajaccio is very nice because yeah, it's beautiful weather and yeah, it's very nice. It's a small island. You can really enjoy a lot, you know. Donc je voudrais aller à Ajaccio. Je voudrais aller à Ajaccio. Okay. So now the guy will ask you, oui, vous partez quand? Ou quand? Quand? So what can you say? Quand? Quand? Do you know how to say Monday, Tuesday, or you can say the date. So let's say you leave on the 7th. How to say the 7th?
Wait, that's the last one. So dimanche.
Yeah, the 7th you can say le 7. The 7th is tomorrow.
Oh, let's say. But I was talking about like
Today,
7.
today nous sommes le 6. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes le 6. Okay?
Nous sommes le
Today we are the 6th. The 6th of February. You see?
Oui.
So we'll say nous sommes le 6. Or you can say le 6. Le 6 is tomorrow. Le 7, sorry. The 7th. Le 7. Quand? Le 7. You can say like this. So you have two ways to answer. When someone asks you quand, when, you can say the date. Or le 7. Or if I tell you le 9. Which day is the 9? Le 9.
9.
Yeah, and which day is it?
Wait, which day is?
Le 9.
Then it'll be. Wait, today's Thursday, right?
Yeah, it's Thursday.
So it's gonna be dimanche.
Oui, très bien. Sunday, which is dimanche. Dimanche. So when they ask you quand, you can say le 9. Or you can say dimanche. Or you can say dimanche. You can choose whatever you want, you know? In a very professional way, it's better to say the date. Because people will know exactly. It's very professional to say, attendez, they will just look at the date. Le 9. Or if you want to be very, very precise, you say dimanche 9. You can also say dimanche 9, s'il vous plaît. Dimanche 9, s'il vous plaît. Sunday the 9th, please. Dimanche 9, s'il vous plaît. Le matin ou l'après-midi? Le matin ou l'après-midi? Le matin ou l'après-midi?
Après-midi.
Oui, l'après-midi.
In the morning, I'll probably still be sleeping.
Yeah, in the morning or in the afternoon. In the morning or in the afternoon. Maybe I will show you something, then you tell me if it's le matin ou l'après-midi. Maybe so I show you this and you tell me le matin ou l'après-midi. So first of all, maybe this one. wait. I send you the photo. Okay. So this is something. Donc c'est le matin ou l'après-midi?
It looks like le matin.
Yeah, it's always in the morning. They always exercise in the morning, right?
Yes.
Normally they exercise in the morning. How about this one? Wait. This is another one that you see a lot in China. Alors, c'est le matin ou l'après-midi?
That looks like that. I think it looks more like la nuit.
Yeah, it's almost, yeah, it's la nuit. Yeah, the you know, it's the Chinese ai. You know the ai?
Oui.
In the evening, you always have the Chinese women, they always dance. You know, all the women dance outside.
Oui. My grandma wants to do that.
There is a lot of
But
conflict.
she doesn't know how to.
There is a lot of conflict because people complain they make too much noise. You know? You know about this? So there's many conflicts. Okay. Le matin ou l'après-midi? How about this one? I'll show you this one. When do you eat it? Tu manges. When do you eat this? Le matin ou l'après-midi?
Le matin, for sure.
Oui, le matin.
Le matin.
Le matin, yeah, it's for the morning, for the breakfast. How about this one? This is also, you only see in China. Is it le matin ou l'après-midi?
I don't know, where did you get that photo? I've never seen that before.
Come on! Chinese people always take nap. They always take a rest.
Yeah, I always take naps, but never. Yeah, I've seen the second one. Yeah, I've seen them like the thing.
Yeah, the first one is crazy. Yeah.
First one, I've never seen the first one.
So when do you take the nap in China? You know, usually.
L'après-midi.
Yeah, l'après-midi, just after lunch. After lunch, l'après-midi. Yeah. L'après-midi. Le matin ou l'après-midi. Ah, maybe this one. This one. Alors, is it le matin? It's something that I'm sure your parents love doing this. Your mother loves doing this. I'm sure. C'est quand? C'est le matin? C'est quand? Le matin ou l'après-midi?
C'est matin.
Come on, it's the whole day. They always play mahjong. Le matin et l'après-midi et la nuit.
Et l'après-midi.
Yeah, the morning and the afternoon and the night. Chinese people always play mahjong, right?
Oui, oui, oui.
Le matin et l'après-midi. Ok, ok. Donc très bien, le matin. Donc quand? Le matin ou l'après-midi? So if they ask you at the train station, when do you want to leave? The morning or the afternoon? So what can you say? You can give the time or you can answer. What would you say?
L'après-midi.
Oui, l'après-midi. L'après-midi. Alors, il y a un train. Il y a un train à 7 heures. Et un train à 8 heures. So if they tell you this, what would you say? Il y a un train à 7 heures et un train à 8 heures.
That's a long time.
Which means there is a train at 7 and there is a train at 8. No, it's 7, it means 7 p.m. There is one train at 7 p.m. and one train at 8 p.m. So how would you say, I would like the train of 7 o'clock. I would like the train. Or the train at 7 o'clock, please. The 7 o'clock.
Okay. Oh, how do you say 7 again?
Le train de 7. 7.
Oh, 7 heures, s'il vous plaît.
Oui, bravo, c'est très bien, bravo. Le train de 7 heures, s'il vous plaît. The train of 7 o'clock, please. Le train de 7 heures, s'il vous plaît. Ah, d'accord, le train de 7 heures, d'accord. Aller ou aller-retour? They will also ask you. Aller ou aller-retour?
Ouais. Aller.
Oui, you can say aller. Aller-retour means both way. The return ticket as well. You buy the return ticket. And something that they will also ask you is second class or first class. Donc c'est seconde ou première? Seconde ou première? It's a bit difficult, but seconde ou première? Oh, okay. And then the other thing you need to ask,
No.
how much? How much does it cost? Do you know? How much does it cost? Last time we saw, when you go shopping, you always need to say, this is how much. C'est.
This is how much, like,
C'est.
wait. C'est, wait, c'est combien?
Oui, c'est combien? C'est combien? How much is it? C'est combien? C'est combien? Okay. How much is it? C'est combien? Okay. Let's try and do it together one time. Okay. Let's try and practice one time. Donc, bonjour madame.
Bonjour.
Oui, bonjour monsieur. Alors, maybe you say I would like to go to where can you go? Maybe I show you the best place in France. Where no, there's Ajaccio. I'm not sure. Maybe I would like to go to Chambord. You know Chambord?
Bedroom?
Chambord. This is Chambord. I show you. There is a small train station, but it's very small. It's a village. Chambord is maybe maybe 3 hours by train from Paris. Chambord. This is Chambord. I would like to go to Chambord.
Bedroom?
How would you say Chambord?
Wait, isn't like chambre already bedroom in French?
Ah, chambre. Oui, chambre is bedroom. Right. But Chambord is the name of a place. Chambord is the name of the place where you have the castle. I send you the place. Or maybe we can ask. I just send you the place. This is Chambord. C'est Chambord. Or maybe let's do another one. Maybe you want to go to Vichy. You know Vichy? Vichy is very famous in France. I really advise you to go to Vichy. Vichy is beautiful. There are very few tourists to go there. And it's a place where you can have the baths. There is the natural water. The water is very, very good for health. You can repair everything. It's very good for the body. You know, if you are sick, you can go there. Vichy is like a bathing place. You know, like very big, very beautiful. So anyway, so let's say you want to go to Chambord. I would like to go to Chambord. Je voudrais.
Wait. Je voudrais. Wait, je voudrais
Aller.
Chambord.
Oui, je voudrais aller à Chambord. Ah, d'accord. Vous partez quand? Quand?
L'après-midi.
Oui, l'après-midi, aujourd'hui? Today? Aujourd'hui, l'après-midi? Or you can say Sunday, Friday, and you...
No. Wait. Wait. La vendredi.
Oui, vendredi après-midi, très bien. Vendredi après-midi. Oui, bravo. Vendredi après-midi. Oui, très bien. Vendredi après-midi. Ok, alors, il y a un train à 7 heures et un train à 8 heures. Il y a un train à 7 heures et un train à 8 heures. So maybe you say whatever train. The train of 7.
Oui.
Le train de... So which train do you want?
Le train à 7.
Le train de 7 heures. Ouais, le train de 7 heures. Le train de 7 heures. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Ah, d'accord. Le train de 7 heures, très bien. En deuxième classe? Première classe? Première classe?
Wait. First class.
Oui, de première classe. D'accord, première classe. Très bien, very good. Première classe. Ok. Yeah, ok, donc première classe. Première classe is bigger. Première classe is like. Ok, donc première classe. And what else? And that's it. Hein? And ok, le train de 7 heures, première classe. And yeah, maybe you can ask me how much does it cost? How much does it cost?
Okay. So, c'est combien?
Oui, c'est combien? Yeah, exactly. C'est combien? Oui, très bien. Very good. Very good. Oui, oui, très bien, très bien. In fact, the price will vary a lot in France now. Some there are some you can travel for very cheap, and you can travel for very expensive. The price really vary a lot. Some train is very expensive, some train is very cheap, you know.
Wait, the photo that you sent me was like first class?
No, wait, no, I think this is the first class. Yeah, this is the first class. I think.
Oh, good.
I show you first class. Normally is this one. I think. It's not so good, I think.
In China train, the table on trains are like different. You don't share the same train with another person. Instead, you get like your own very, very tiny table.
Yeah, they give you the small table. Yeah, this is first class, the one I showed you. But you have to share. It's not so good. And they have the restaurant like this also. It's not really good. I think the train is not very good. But you can travel low cost. Me, I always take the low
I
cost.
think it looks really good for me.
The low cost is very good.
The
It's okay.
seats aren't like squished together.
Yeah, it's big
There's
maybe.
more space.
Yeah, there's more space. But if you are, even the cheap one is okay. Huh? There's one that I will take the train on Saturday, and usually it's very cheap. So they will make two. The train is like this. It's very, very packed. It's like this. I think
Oh,
I will show you. The cheap one is like this. It's like no, it's fast. The speed is the same. The speed is the same, but it's cheap. You know, I will show you. It's the cheap one. But it's very convenient to travel by train. You know, and they are fast, but they have two floors train, two deck. I just think I didn't see the same in China with 2 floor. I didn't see.
There's never 2 floors in a train.
There's never. Look, this 2 floor is like this.
The train is like really pretty.
It's like this with 2 floor.
Do you also have your own table?
Yeah, but it's a small seat. It's small stuff, but it's cheap. It's very cheap. They did 2 type of train. Some train is the expensive train. Some train is the cheap train. The expensive train is, I think, few people take it. It's only business. It's really. The cheap train is most people that travel around. They just. You can travel for very cheap. It's good, I think. Even if you really don't have money, you need to take en bus. You need to take the bus. You know. You know.
Oui.
Okay. People say, look,
The train is like it looks like it's something like because the chairs are like pink and blue,
yeah,
so it looks a bit cocky.
really. This is the cheap one. The expensive one is not the same color. The expensive one is like this.
Why did
They just decided.
why
Look.
is that accent? Obese.
Ah, that's the name. That's the name of the oui. That's the name of the train. The expensive one is like this.
Go.
The expensive one is called Inouï. The cheap one is called Ouigo. Ouigo.
What's inside the Inouï?
Inouï, it means incredible in French.
Oh.
We go. It's like yes, go. That's the name of the train. The cheap train is called Yes Go, and the expensive one is say incredible. You know. Last time I saw some people say it's not incredible at all. This is not incredible at all. Why they call it incredible? That's nonsense. You know. You see.
Oui.
It's really funny. I think. I think in China they don't have the name like this, right?
No.
In France they always have big names. The big names. Okay. You can now. You cannot travel. You are a little bit stuck. You don't go out these days.
No.
Oh, okay.
I've been stuck inside for 2 weeks.
Really, it's really annoying.
Week. No. I get to watch TV a lot.
Really.
We.
Do you have many class online? You can do the sport. You could, at home. You know.
Oui.
You can do the sport. So let's see together a little bit. So what they say, je voudrais, you know, I will send you again the page on the note. On the note we can read together. Je voudrais. So they write in Chinese. Okay, je voudrais. Je voudrais. Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît.
Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît.
Alors, let's say you are in a let's say you are inside a bakery, and then what can you say? Like this. I show you. So you are in Paris in a bakery. Wait, I show you a bakery. And what can you ask? This maybe I can show you. Ah, yeah, this one. Do you know this one? This one, I think you like it. I really like it. I show you the photo. This one, I advise you if you can buy it. If maybe in China you can find. It's very delicious. You know. So this is called éclair. Éclair, like it means lightning. Lightning.
Oh, eclair. That.
Usually they have two flavor. One is chocolate, chocolat, and one is coffee, café. So how to say I would like éclair? That's chocolate éclair. Sometimes they have strawberry, but yeah.
Oh, wow.
So how would you say this is good? I really like it. Chinese people like
I
usually.
want coconut.
So I would like. So let's say you are in the bakery. What do you say? Je voudrais. I would like a.
Je voudrais éclair.
Oui, je voudrais un éclair. Je voudrais un éclair. Chocolate. How would you say? Chocolat ou café?
Chocolat.
Chocolat. Chocolat, s'il vous plaît. Chocolat, s'il vous plaît. Oui, très bien. Now let's say you are you sit here, and then what can you order? So you're sitting here. So there are many places like this in France. There are many places where you sit like this. People sit outside everywhere. I think it's something I really like. In Italy also. In Italy they sit outside and they drink alcohol in the evening. It's really nice. You just relax, you sit with some friends and you drink and you talk. So what would you say if you are in this place?
Then I would say I'm happy because I get to drink alcohol all night.
No, not. But you can take. Some people they drink alcohol, but you can take whatever you want. You know, most people they take this, but I think you don't like it. I will show you. Most French people, they just take this. They take this kind of coffee. But you can order a tea or a hot chocolate. So what would you say?
Wow. Did you take that photo yourself?
No, you can find on the internet. It's very in France. It's everywhere. You have this. There's many coffee like this, many places, and it's always people always drink this kind of coffee. In fact, it's not very good. It's like strong. It's okay, but maybe now I like it. But you can take a tea. The tea is not as good as in China. It's not very good, the tea in France. So I would like. Or you can take a limonade. Limonade. You know limonade?
Oh, it's basically lemon.
Yes. Yeah, it's very good. Limonade. Ou grenadine. You know grenadine? Grenadine is very good. Many people, they like to take grenadine. Limonade. So how would you say? Come on. I would like... Bonjour madame.
Bonjour madame.
Bonjour.
Je voudrais limonade.
Une limonade, oui. Je voudrais une limonade. Oui, très bien. Je voudrais une limonade. Je voudrais une limonade. Or you can say, je voudrais un café. Or you can say je voudrais un thé, some tea, you know. Or okay, je voudrais okay, so it's okay. Je voudrais aller à Paris. Ou je voudrais, here on the book we can see, un aller simple, un aller-retour, un aller-retour, aller-retour, you know, aller-retour, aller-retour, aller-retour. You know what?
Two ways.
Oui, both way, both way. If you say un aller simple, what does it mean? If you say je voudrais un aller simple pour Paris. Un aller simple Paris, what does it mean? It means you're never going to come back. You know?
You're coming back.
You're not coming back. You only buy a one-way ticket, you know? Maybe you're never going back. Aller-retour, aller-retour. You know?
That's two-way ticket.
Yeah, two-way ticket. Aller-retour, aller-retour. Okay. Aller-retour. In fact, yeah, many, yeah, in fact, yeah, some people, they want to escape their country, so they will escape, they just buy a one-way ticket, and then they never come back. You know, un aller, you know. Un aller-retour. Ok, aller-retour. Très bien. Then next Tuesday, prochain, mardi prochain, mardi prochain, vendredi prochain. Okay. Maybe I can ask you. The school starts next Monday, lundi prochain.
No.
Non. Le mois prochain. Le mois prochain. Next month. Next month.
Oui.
You know? Yes, next month. In March. March. En mars.
They're not sure yet.
Ah, they're not sure. Okay, okay. Maybe l'an prochain.
Depends on what happens to the virus.
Maybe l'année prochaine. Maybe l'an prochain. You know what it means l'an prochain? I'm just joking. L'an prochain. You know what it means? L'an prochain. Next year. Maybe. No. I think, yeah, okay. I hope it will be okay. No.
Hopefully, I don't want to go to school.
Maybe it will only start in April. Maybe in April. I think. April. Let's say the next 2 weeks, it will be very important to see if the virus spread in the US and in France, you know. You know, in France, there's 20 people that are sick. 20 French people. They make them come back by plane. There were French people in Wuhan. And in the plane, 20 people are sick, you know. They bring
That's nothing because
Yeah, but come on, that's a plane with 200 people, you know. There was 200 people, and among the 200, 20 are sick, you know.
well, like that's nothing because in my city there are 176 people with the virus.
Yeah, I think it's much more. I think it's much more because the virus, it's very easy to get it. But it's crazy. Just 200 people in a plane and 20 get sick, you know. I think it's very easy to get sick. Okay.
Wait, hold on. Because, like in China, there's this blog that everyone is looking at. So basically, it shows.
The numbers. Yeah, it shows the numbers.
I'm gonna show. No, 179.
Really, in Changsha. It's a lot already.
Yeah, there were 10 people cured. There were 50 new cases.
Yeah.
Still 0 deaths.
Yes. In France, there were six people added. They were all Chinese. But they're all Chinese. And they are tourists. Ils sont touristes. And there is one who is in very bad condition, but he's 80 years old. So they give him oxygen, you know. He has an oxygen mask. Un masque oxygen. But he didn't die. So I don't know. But there are 20 new cases. The 20 French people came back. They came back and they are sick. Because they bring them back from Wuhan, you know. Maintenant, ils sont en quarantaine. Do you know how to say quarantaine? Quarantaine. You know what is quarantaine?
Yes, to basically keep them there.
Yeah, you know what is 40? 40? What does it mean, 40?
Diamond.
40. You know what is 40? It's a number. What you know what is the number? What's the number? What number it is?
4.
40. 40.
Or 40.
You know why it's 40?
No.
Because quarantaine, it comes before you have the boat that come from abroad. But it's the then the boat, the people have to stay for 40 days. 40 days. You know?
Oh.
40 days on the boat. And after 40 days, they are allowed to come. After 40 days, they are allowed to go on the ground, to go out, you know? So if there is the boat that come, the boat arrives, if there is someone sick, there is someone sick on the boat, then they will make them wait for 40 days, you know? That's why they say quarantaine. But now it's not 14 days. You know how long they have to stay normally? In France, they say 15 days. 15 days. 15 jours. 15 jours.
Okay, that's a bit.
Because 40 days is very long, you know? I think. Really crazy. I don't know. Yeah, it's really crazy. I don't know why they have this. Quarantaine. Yeah, it's this, 40 jours. Ah, 40 jours. It come from it come from the 12th century, you know.
We 12th century.
You know the 12th century?
Okay.
1180. 1180. This is the year. In this year, they start to develop this, you know. And I will show you. This is very interesting. This is the flag. If you see this kind of flag, you have to run away.
Well, see what flag?
This flag I send you.
What we have to do?
This flag, it tells you that this place, the people might be sick and they are shut down inside, you know. Maybe they are infected.
Wait, is that in China too?
What?
Is that in China too?
That's the international, yeah. It's international stuff. Or maybe they will be the flag for the virus, you know. You know the symbol for the virus? You know?
Coronavirus. We.
Not for corona, it's for all the virus. You know? I'll show you. If you see this, you also need to run away. You can stick it on the... It's like this. This is like this.
Wait, that's gonna be the virus sign?
Yeah, it's the virus danger, you know. Triangle means danger. And black and yellow is bad color. Black and yellow is maybe disease. Black is the death, you know.
Yellow is disease.
Yeah, yellow is disease, I think. But maybe in China it's different, you know. Because everywhere in the world, in China, yellow is the emperor. You know? And red in China is happy, but everywhere in the world, red is blood. You know?
No, in China, red is happy, and in China, black and white equals good luck.
Good luck. Okay, maybe. Yeah. I don't know the color. In China, everything is different. You know, you never know. Maybe if you come in China, maybe you. Yeah.
In China, green is bad luck.
Oh, really? Yeah, yeah.
Green, I mean, because you put on the green hat. If you have the green hat put on you,
Yes.
that means that means someone is cheating on you.
Yeah, yes, yes. Yeah, something bad is going to happen. In France, yeah, I don't know what is. Yeah, the black is very bad color, you know, in France before there was the lèpre. You know, people before, they are like this, you know. In the Middle Age, there are many people who dress like this, you know, like this. There are many people with the ring, ding, 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 ding. There's the people who are diseased like this, you know. They wear the mask. Now it's gone. You still have this disease in Africa. It's really bad, you know.
Ebola?
It's worse than Ebola. You will lose your flesh. The flesh will go away. And if you touch someone, then the guy will catch it.
What is it called?
Lèpre, la lèpre, leprosis. Leprosis. You still have it in Africa, you know. People have the mask, so that many people died from this in Europe. Many people. The flesh will come away. It's awful, you know. You will lose all your body. Piece by piece, your body will come down. It's awful. Rotten away. Your body will rotten away, you know.
Is that someone's previous face?
What? No, it's the mask. It's a mask. It's a mask. They have to wear the mask because they will lose the nose, they will lose their face. Everything will start to fall down, you know.
Oh dear.
It's very crazy. Crazy disease. Before they are crazy disease, we are very lucky. We don't have this, I think. But some countries you can catch this. Some countries still have very bad disease. Yeah, ok. Donc voilà. Bon, alors, what words you need to, donc you need to remember. Hein, je voudrais. You need to remember quand. When. Le matin. L'après-midi. Je voudrais quand. C'est combien. You can also say vous partez quand. So when do you leave? There are 2 trains. Il y a 2 trains. There are 2 trains. Il y a 2 trains. Il y a un train à 7 heures. Et un train à 8 heures. Okay? There is a train at 7, there is a train at 8. Okay. Vous partez quand? Il est 8 heures. Okay. What else we can see? I think that's about it. Yeah, maybe next time we'll see a little bit the time. We didn't see the time. The time is not easy. Huh? It's a bit complicated, the time. Je pars. Okay. Hein? And I think that's okay. Hein? Est-ce que vous partez? I think this is okay. Hein? Maybe what can we do for exercise? Yeah, I can ask you maybe page, I was sending to you page 79. I was sending to you then page 79. Then you know the exercise with the board, with the train, okay? So I send it to you. Can you see it?
Oui.
So here there is right, le train Paris-Nantes. Paris-Nantes. Maybe, can you tell me, maybe I tell you, je voudrais aller à Nantes. Je voudrais aller à Nantes l'après-midi. L'après-midi. So maybe you can tell me what. Je voudrais aller à Nantes l'après-midi. So maybe you can tell me there is a train at 5 o'clock. Il y a.
Alright, il y a un train à 5 heures.
Oui, très bien, il y a un train à 5 heures. Ah oui. C'est le TGV 8179. C'est le TGV 8179. That's the number of the train. Okay. And then maybe you can tell me there is a train at 8 o'clock. à 8.
Oh, oui.
Oui, il y a un train à 8 heures. Oui, très bien, très bien. Il y a un train à 8 heures. Maybe I can ask you. Le train de 5 heures. Le train de 5 heures, s'il vous plaît. Je pars samedi. Je pars samedi. So, is there the train on Saturday? The 5 o'clock train. Do you have it on Saturday?
Non.
Je pars samedi. Le train de 5 heures, s'il vous plaît.
Non.
Non. Which day do you have it?
Lundi.
It's only vendredi. It's only vendredi. Did you see? They write V-E-N. Vendredi. Vendredi. How about the train? Le train de 8 heures. Le train de 8 heures. Je pars samedi. I leave on Saturday. Is it okay for le train de 8 heures?
Oui.
Non! Le train de 8 heures is written dim.
Oui.
Dim is dimanche. Dimanche. Donc non. Seulement dimanche. Only dimanche. Did you see at the end they say TGL? You know TGL?
Oh, wait, let me see. Oh, wait, what is coming up?
TGL means tous les jours. Tous les jours. Tous les jours means every day. Tous les jours. Tous les jours. Means every day. Okay. Mais c'est très bien. Hein, donc,
TGV.
What? TGV. TGV is the fast train. Train grande vitesse. Train big speed. Train big speed. Train grande vitesse. You know? Okay. Well, let's stop here for today, hein, okay? And we'll talk each other soon, okay? Donc, and next week I'm not here hein, because I'm at the south of France. I will put some photos on my WeChat so you can also see. Okay.
Oui.
Okay, and just try to maybe don't get bored too much. I don't know what you can do at home all the time, but you can go on the balcony. Don't get bored too much. I know it's not easy because you're always at home.
Oui.
It's a bit annoying. Also, I don't go out so much, but I go a little bit out. Ok, bon bah salut, hein. À bientôt. Salut. Hein.
À bientôt.
Salut. À bientôt, salut.
Au revoir.
Au revoir, salut.